Good morning. Happy Wednesday. Say good morning, Blaze. Say good morning. Last night we were watching vlogs from 2017. Drake was 3 and Blaze was 1. Okay guys, come on, let's go.
Today we're going to Mutual. Today we're filming videos.
Wednesday is filming day and we are going to up our vlogging game. At the library with Mom, we're going to print a couple of things. I really need to stop playing around and order my ink for my printer. Mom, did you get a library card? Where's your library card? Right here. A library card. Hold on. This is so nice, Millie. Oh,
We all did it. But I mostly
how
did it.
cute.
Mostly all did it. It was just mostly me. Queenie, ask Drake, what do you tell mommy? Mommy is nice, so I put kind. And then I asked Queenie, what do you tell mommy? And then she goes, I love you, mommy. And then I asked Drake, what do you tell mommy? And he goes, blah.
Oh, okay, okay, Blaze.
What
Tell
did
us,
you
Blaze.
do, Blazy?
Show us your hands. Blaze, show us your hands.
Good job.
So we're here just dropping off Papa to practice. There goes my big boy. I think he's the biggest kid on the team. Good morning. Happy Thursday. So I wanted to show you guys this really quickly. My cousin Emily brought over this Dr. Bronner's. Google it, look it up. It works so good. Right now I'm using it in all the cleaning stuff in my house. So it's in the kitchen spray, the bathroom spray, and in the mop right now. I'm gonna slowly start incorporating it into like brushing my teeth and face wash, and I'll let you guys know how that works. Right now I am dressed to work out. It is almost 7:30. The kids are still asleep. So I'm getting ready to go work out in the garage, but I like to leave the TV on in case the little ones wake up. I am overdue for a workout. I need to bring it back in. I think my Aunt Flo is on her way in because all I want to do is eat like bread, chocolate, all that good stuff. Guys, and I finally got this up. All of this is temporary. Well, I think this basket's gonna stay. It has my candles in there. And then I'm gonna get faux plants for this. I want to get a lantern, maybe put 2 family pictures right here on this console, but this welcome sign is not going to be there. But I'm just very proud of myself that I got this up. Let me rest my arm right here. I'm not used to holding this Joby. Let me show you guys this Joby that I got. So this is the Joby that we got from Amazon. This was originally supposed to be Millie's Joby, but this middle part of the Joby broke or came off when Millie put her phone in this part. Wow, I'm like sweating all over the place. Woo, I'm exhausted. That was a good workout. I did like some cardio and then some weights. The Joby completely just broke off, so I'm gonna go inside of the house and order another one, the other one that Millie has. Good boy, yay. Again. Yay, good boy. Okay. I haven't vlogged all day. It is almost 4 p.m. and I'm headed to a counseling session. It's not a surprise. It's no surprise. I am a firm believer that everyone should see a therapist or a counselor, or some point in your life you should see one. What I've been loving on, you can pick this up from Costco, Walmart. I think I've seen them in Target too, and it's a really good meal replacement. So I am slowly getting myself back on the wagon. Tomorrow we will be at Knott's Berry Farm. It's our ward youth activity and we'll be at Knott's Berry Farm. So today she had an opening and here I am. I ordered this off of Amazon. Supports nerve, heart, and bone health. So this came in. Okay, so we have one of these. Oh, I like the little accents of red. Attach this top part. And then this part, I guess, is a GoPro mount. Yay, I love it. It's so sturdy. I spy some cupcakes over there. This is how you know you're coming to a Polynesian house. Moana and Moana 2 greets us at the door. Oh my goodness, I thought something crawled on me. So this is 4 shots of blonde espresso, 3 pumps of sugar-free vanilla, 3 pumps of sugar-free cinnamon dolce. Oh. How is it? Yummy? Which one did he bite? Oh, I think he was smelling them. Okay, so this is pretty good. The cinnamon dolce is very strong, and then it's heavy cream. This is pretty good. It's different from the other coffees I've tried. Yum. Okay. You want to try one? No?
Yes.
Are you ready for Knott's Berry Farm?
I'm ready for
tomorrow?
Knott's Berry Farm.
Are you ready for Knott's Berry Farm?
Is this the day we're going?
Tomorrow.
In the dark?
Nah, dude, what are you talking about?
Are you ready for Knott's Berry Farm?
Hey!
I am going to wrap up this vlog. We are so excited for Knott's Berry Farm tomorrow. It is going to be Drake and Blazy's first time there. Millie and Papa have been there before, so we are tagging along with the youth from our ward. So this should be very interesting because it is a huge group of them, and we're just tagging along. Just tagging along. So we have to get up early tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock. I'm going to edit and upload this video right now so I can have space to vlog tomorrow at Knott's Berry Farm. But that's pretty much it. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.